Go ahead, Eric. Get loose, baby. Get loose on them. Yes. They not ready. They not ready. There you go, Eric. There you go. Yes, Eric. Let it loose. There it is. Ooh, put it on him. Ooh, do it slow, Eric. There you go. Do it slow.
Oh, I still got this on YouTube.
You got to, man. Like, how many hits you get?
Could you imagine put on YouTube and get like 12 million hits? Like,
Hell yeah.
I'd be so stunned, like, 12 million hits?
Dude, I would put as a caption, ladies, leave your numbers.
I want to.
Let it loose, Eric. There it is. There it is. There it is.
Oh, shit.
Oh, look.
Oh, shit. Oh, man. Motherfucker killed it. Oh, shit.
Yes, Eric. Yes, let it loose, Eric. Let it loose. There it is, Eric. Get it. That's right. Get it in there. Get it in. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies, if you are single, his name is Eric Stillman. He is known to pop and lock and let it loose. He will give you all your fantasy desires. All you gotta do is leave your name and number on this page and let it loose. Cause he has the rhythm to twist your back out. His name is Eric, and he will let it loose. And when he get down with the get down, trust me, ladies, you will always come back for more. Cause that is Eric. Yes, Eric, get it. His name is E-Rock. They call him the Get It Boy because he gets it all for the ladies. Yes. Yes, and he gets it all for the ladies.